Happy morning, children. Welcome to today's session. Just look at the smiley over there. What does the smiley speak to you? Usually, how I'll welcome you to the session? Either with a bouquet of flowers or with a quote. Today, you can find a smiley over here. What the smiley tells you, children? An image like this. What the smiley is doing? The smiley is thinking smiley. So today's session is also going to be like this. We are going to recall what happened in Unit 1. Children, have we completed Unit 1? Do you remember the things? Are you going through all the sessions carefully? Have we completed Unit 1, children? Yes, we have completed Unit 1 and we are going to recap things of Unit 1. We are going in for a recapitulation session. Okay, I am going to question you and you are going to take down the question. Thereby, you are going to write down the answers. Finally, I'll give you the answers to check yourself. You can evaluate yourself and you can give marks. And you will get ready for the online session with your marks. Soon after this session, we will have an online session now by 10:30. In that online session, you have to tell me the marks what you have scored. Am I clear, children? So, get ready with your notebook. To attend this session, get ready with your notebook and a pen. Okay, are you ready with your notebook and pen, children? Yes. So, let us come into the things now. Prose lesson 1 we have completed. What is the title of prose lesson 1? The 3 questions. And we have completed poem 1. What is the title of the poem? The squirrel. Thereby we have completed supplementary lesson 1. The title is The Tiny Teacher. Hope so you would have understood all the topics. I have given you a detailed explanation on all these things. And I have to check whether you have understood or not. That is why we are going for a recapitulation. It will help you to recall things. Thereby, things will get registered in your mind so that when you start with Unit 2, you will get a good idea of Unit 2 also, and things of Unit 1 also will stay in your memory. So, with this concept, we will go to the recapitulation session. Prose lesson 1. The 3 questions. Come on, write down the first question. What is the first question I have given for you? Make it soon. What are the 3 questions in the king's mind? You have to list out the questions, 3 questions, one after the other. What are the 3 questions in the king's mind? We know that king is a main character and he has 3 questions in his mind. What are the 3 questions in the king's mind? You have to write down the answer now. This is the time for you to write down the answer. Next, why he needs answer for those questions? Come on, write down the answer. Why he needs answer for those questions? Yes, we are giving you time from 9:30 till 10:30 to view the session. If you are not able to follow the questions now, you can just pause and you can write down the question. You have 1 hour time to view 30 minutes video. So make use of the time, write down the question properly and come out with the answer. Have you copied question number 2? Come to question number 3. Whom did he send to get answers? It is a one-word answer. Whom did he send to get answers? 3 questions are over. 4th question. Did he get the answers through the messengers? Did he get the messengers through the messengers? Think over and write the answer. Come to the next question. Name the 3 main characters in the story. Who are the 3 main characters in the story? 6th question. Who is widely known for their wisdom? Who is widely known for their wisdom? Children, again I am telling you, if you find it difficult to follow the questions, you can just pause the video there. You can copy down the questions in your notebook. 4, 5, 6 questions are over now. Come to the 7th question now. Messengers were sent throughout the kingdom. What is the reason? You have to fill in the blank over here. Messengers were sent throughout the kingdom. For what? What is the reason? Okay. Come to the next question. Give the meaning of the word fainted. Give the meaning of the word fainted. I repeat, give the meaning of the word fainted. Question number 7. Messengers were sent throughout the kingdom. You have to fill in the blanks. Next question. Who stabbed the beard man? Stab. Have you come across the word called stab? Stab. Have you come across the word called stab? To hurt someone with a weapon or a knife. Okay. To hurt someone with a weapon or a knife. Stabbing. Stabbing. Be clear. Beard man. Beard man is the wounded man. The king requested the hermit. What will be the answer? 10th question. The last question of first prose lesson. The king requested the hermit. For what he requested the hermit? Are you clear with the questions now? Okay. Now let us again come from question number 1, children. What are the 3 questions in the king's mind? Why he needs answer for those questions? Whom did he send to get answers? Did he get the answers through the messengers? Name the 3 main characters in the story. Who is widely known for their wisdom? Messengers were sent throughout the kingdom. For what? You have to fill in the blank. Give the meaning of the word fainted. Who stabbed the beard man? The king requested the hermit. For what? So 10 questions are over here. Now I'll give you the answer. The answer for first question is, what are the 3 questions in the king's mind? What is the right time? Which people should he listen to? And what is the most important thing to do? You would have written all the 3 questions. What is the right time? Which people should he listen to? What is the most important thing to do? Answer for second question. He will never fail in his duties, or his kingdom will never end. He will never fail in his duties, or his kingdom will never end. Third question. Messengers. Whom did he send to get the answers? One word answer I told you, no? What is the answer? Messengers. Answer number 4. Okay. Did he get the answers from the people? Yes, he got the answers, but they were different. What is the answer? Yes, he got the answers, but they were different. The king, the hermit, and the wounded man, that is the man with the beard, are the 3 main characters of the story. Who are the 3 main characters of the story? Name the 3 main characters of the story. It is the king, the hermit, and the wounded man. Who are the wise people known for their wisdom? It is the hermits. Hermits are the wise people who are known for their wisdom. Okay. Next, why did he send his messengers throughout the kingdom? The question is, the king sent his messengers throughout the kingdom to find the answers. What is the meaning of the word fainted? The meaning of the word fainted is lost consciousness. The meaning of the word fainted is lost consciousness. Next, who stabbed the beard man? The king's bodyguard. or you can write it like the king's escort. Escort. You are not supposed to write like soldier, the king's escort or the bodyguard. You can find this word even in your textbook also. Next, to answer his questions, the king requested the hermit to answer his questions. The king requested the hermit to answer his questions. Have you given a tick mark for all the 10 questions, children? Have you completed all these 10 answers? Don't take it in a very easy way. So, we are just imparting you every lesson. Prose lesson 1 is completed, poem 1 is completed, supplementary 1 is completed. I don't know whether you people are going through all the videos carefully. So, this session is to check you whether you have understood the videos or not. Pay attention over here, write down all the questions and write the answers. After that, you can give tick marks. I have not provided you the answers in the same slide. So, you can just sit down and write the answers. Check yourself, self-evaluate yourself. Only if you have understood Unit 1 thoroughly, you are permitted to read Unit 2. Okay? Don't always have some surface level idea. This is what is Unit 1, the 3 questions. Try to have a deeper level understanding of the text. That will help you. When you grow as a person also, all these values are going to help you, children, what you are learning now. So, sit down, write down the question, tick the answers and give your marks over there. I think so you have completed for 10 questions now. Prose lesson 1, 3 questions, 10 questions are answered now. After this session, in the online session, you have to tell me what is the mark you have scored. Get ready for that. Prose lesson 1, 3 questions, 10 questions are over now. Okay. Next, shall we start with the poem question answers? Shall we go into the poem question answers? Okay. What is the title of the poem, children? The title of the poem is Squirrel. What is the title of the poem? Squirrel. The Squirrel. Did I explain you the poem? Have you all gone through the video? Did you all go through the video carefully? Yes, you would have gone through the video carefully. Now, here from the poem, I have given you 6 questions to self-evaluate yourself and I have included an activity over here. Am I clear? 6 questions and an activity. So, before we start with the question answers of poem Squirrel, just sit for a while and think over what I have explained you and how many lines does the poem have. Who is the author and what does ma'am teach us? And be careful, children, these sessions are there in YouTube for you. If you are going to type it like GGVS7SE English, you will get all your English videos. Standard 7 English videos. GGVS7SE. If you don't have a clear picture of the poem, you can view the poem again, then you can start writing the answers. Am I clear, children? Okay. Try to understand things. Before answering the questions, get into a perspective whether you know the answer for the questions. And just think for a while, have you viewed the video clearly? If you have not viewed the video clearly, get back to GGV Digital School and type it like GGVS7_SE. You will get all your English videos from part 1 till part 10. We are having unit 1 from part 1 till part 10. You can view the video, then you can start writing the answers. Are you ready to answer the questions of poem 1, the squirrel? I think so. You will be ready to write the answers.